In this lesson, we'll learn how to use the Albanian verb jam, meaning to be, in three important past tenses. The simple past, or e kryera e thjesht, the imperfect tense, or e pa kryera, and the present perfect, or koha e kryer. These three tenses can all refer to the past, but they present past situations in different ways. Let's start with the simple past, koha e kryer e thjesht. The Albanian simple past is used for a completed situation or state in the past. It is especially common when the speaker is presenting something as a completed event or as a part of a sequence of past events. For example, for jam we have the form of qesh. Now you haven't really heard qesh in speaking because people use the imperfect of jam, which is isha. But the correct way of the simple past for the verb jam is actually qesh. So, un qesh, I was, ti qe, you were, ai or ajo qe, he or she was. Ne qem, we were, ju qet, you were, ata or ato qen, they were. Here are some examples. Un qesh në Tiranë dje. I was in Tirana yesterday. Un qesh në Tiranë dje. Ai qe shumë i lodhur pas udhëtimit. He was very tired after the journey. Ai qe shumë i lodhur pas udhëtimit. Ne qem në shtëpi gjithë mbrëmjen. We were at home all evening. Ne qem në shtëpi gjithë mbrëmjen. Ata qenë shumë të lumtur atë ditë. They were very happy that day. Ata qenë shumë të lumtur atë ditë. Koha e pa kryer, or the imperfect tense, is used to describe a past state, situation, or condition. It is particularly useful when we are setting the background for another event, describing something that was ongoing, or talking about a past situation without focusing on when it began or ended, but rather the process of the action. It is also similar to the past continuous in English. I was doing something. So in Albanian, for the verb jam, we have un isha, I was, ti ishe, you were, ai or ajo ishte, he or she was. Ne ishim, we were, ju ishit, you were, ata or ato ishin, they were. Some examples. Un isha në shtëpi kur më telefonove. I was at home when you called me. Un isha në shtëpi kur më telefonove. Kur isha fëmijë, jetoja në Durrës. When I was a child, I lived in Durrës. Kur isha fëmijë, jetoja në Durrës. Ajo ishte shumë e lodhur atë mbrëmje. She was very tired that evening. Ajo ishte shumë e lodhur atë mbrëmje. Ne ishim duke ngrënë darkë kur erdhi ai. We were having dinner when he arrived. Ne ishim duke ngrënë darkë kur erdhi ai. Ata ishin në punë gjithë ditën. They were at work all day. Ata ishin në punë gjithë ditën. So notice the imperfect tense often gives us the background of another event. So you called me, when you called me, I was at home. When I was a child, I lived in Durrës, and so on. So for example, when you called me is in the simple past because it's a completed event, whereas I was at home, it doesn't tell us when it began or when it ended, it just states the condition in the past that I was or was being at home. That's the function of the imperfect tense. Alright, and then we have koha e kryer, the present perfect. The Albanian present perfect is formed with the present tense of kam, followed by the past participle, which is qen. See, it is formed from the simple past of qesh. Thus we have un kam qen, I have been. Ti ke qenë, you have been. Ai or ajo ka qenë, he or she has been. Ne kemi qenë, we have been. Ju keni qenë, you have been. Ata or ato kanë qenë, they have been. This tense is often used for past experiences or situations that are connected in some way to the present, exactly like the present perfect tense in English. Thus, we have some examples here. Kam qenë në Shqipëri disa herë. I have been to Albania several times. Kam qenë në Shqipëri disa herë. Ajo ka qenë shumë e zënë këtë javë. She has been very busy this week. Ajo ka qenë shumë e zënë këtë javë. Kemi qenë miq për shumë vite. We have been friends for many years. Kemi qenë miq për shumë vite. A keni qenë ndonjëherë në Shkodër? Have you ever been to Shkodër? A keni qenë ndonjëherë në Shkodër? Dhe ata kanë qenë shumë të sjellshëm me ne. They have been very kind to us. Ata kanë qenë shumë të sjellshëm me ne. Now let's put all three tenses together in a short paragraph. Vitin e kaluar isha në Itali për pushime. Last year I was in Italy on holiday. Një ditë qesh në Rom dhe vizitova shumë vende interesante. One day I was in Rome and visited many interesting places. Kam qenë në Itali edhe më parë, prandaj disa vende më dukeshin të njohura. I have been to Italy before, so some places looked familiar to me. Kur isha atje, kalova shumë mirë dhe vendosa të kthehem përsëri. While I was there, I had a great time and decided to come back again. One more time, listen only in Albanian. Vitin e kaluar isha në Itali për pushime. Një ditë qesh në Rom dhe vizitova shumë vende interesante. Kam qenë në Itali edhe më parë, prandaj disa vende më dukeshin të njohura. Kur isha atje, kalova shumë mirë dhe vendosa të kthehem përsëri. In the next lesson, we'll look at another very common Albanian verb. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe if you still haven't. Try to write 3 sentences in the comments below using the verb in each of the tenses that we learned today. As always, if you have any questions on the Albanian language, send me an email at shqipify@gmail.com, which you can find in the description below. And make sure to check out our flashcard decks on shqipify.com, which you can find also in the description below and on the pinned comment. See you in our next video.